Guru channel. Today we are going to discuss another important topic, Salesforce LWC. So this Salesforce LWC is a very new topic, and many companies nowadays they are migrating from Aura and Visualforce to LWC, Lightning Web Components. So in order to develop LWC component, the first thing we are required is environmental setup. So today our agenda is we are going to discuss how to set up environment for Salesforce LWC. That is, you need certain softwares, that is Salesforce CLI and Vscode along with some plugins, and how to authenticate R from the Vscode. These are the three things we are going to discuss. Once our environment ready, we are going to develop LWC components. This we will discuss in next session. So first thing, we need Salesforce CLI. So for this, go to Google and type Salesforce CLI. So you will get the link developersalesforce.com. So click on that one, and so here you can get the CLI for different OS, that is Mac and Windows and Linux. So since I am using the Mac OS, so I am selecting the Mac and click on the download. So already I installed the CLI, so I am not going to download again. Once you download and install, so go to command line. If you are using Windows, go to command line. I'm using since Mac, I'm going to open the terminal and type sfdx. So once you install the terminal, you are going to get like this. So what is the version of the CLI you are using and usage of that one, topics and comments. So this information you will get once you successfully installed. So this is the first step. Once you install the CLI, next thing you need to download the Visual Studio Code. So most of this LWC coding is most of the coding is it contains HTML, JavaScript and CSS. So for developing this kind of application, the VS Code is the best tool. So go to Google and type the VS Code. So you will get this page, and where you will get for different OS like Windows, Mac and Linux. So if you, based on your OS you are using, download the software. So once you download the software, go to open it. So Visual Studio Code will be look like this one. So once you install, you need to install certain plugins. So these are required. So go to extensions and type sfda. Salesforce, type Salesforce. So you will get Salesforce CLI integration, Salesforce extension pack. So this is a Salesforce extension pack is the one you need to install. So it will take little time. So once it installed, we are able to get all the Salesforce related commands. See, it's installed. So now if I go to here and if I press Command Shift P, if it is a Mac, So for reflecting this extension, you need to restart again, quit it and go to softwares. So it will take some time to initialize. So and use command shift P if you are using Mac. If you are using Windows, use control shift P and type sfdx. So once you type sfdx, you can able to get options related to that. That is sfdx create a project with manifest. So for if you want to create a project, you can able to create a project with manifest. Give the standard project, select the standard project and type test and choose the location. Yes. So I am able to create a Salesforce project with a manifest. So this is a structure. If you see, it contains different files like package.json, and it have a force app. This is a app. It contain application, aura components, and this is a classes which contain all the Apex classes. And if you want to write any LWC, you have to create here. So it successfully it created. So now next thing, we need to connect our Visual Studio Code with the org. So then by using this one, what we are able to achieve. So if you develop any components in the Visual Studio Code, directly you can able to push to org, and if any components available in the org, you can able to pull to your editor. So for doing that one, you need to again press command shift P and type authorize an org. So this is the option you need to select. And for this since it's my sandbox, right? So that's why I am using to sandbox test.salesforce.com. Click on that one, give your any name, like dev.org is my name. So it will redirect it to login page. So here what I will going to do, I already have my org, so I will going to give this URL without HTTP. So go to login and choose use custom domain and give your org URL. Continue on that one. And you need to give username and password. So my username will be settings. So this is my email. This is my username. I'll select this one. Give the username and password. Click on the login. So it will ask all. Once it authenticated, so you are able to see the org name dev.org, and here in the output you can able to see authorize an org and successfully authenticated. So this information is successfully authorized. So this is a way you are going to connect a Vscode with your org. So now if I see, I can able to see what are the data like available in my org. I'm able to see here. It's directly connected to the org. So now if I develop any LWC component, if I develop any Apex class, so directly I can able to push it from the Vscode. So in later session we will going to build on LWC component and we will see how to push it to the org. Thank you guys. Thank you.